Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the process of creating custom fields in Asana, your comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's begin. Start by opening your Asana and go to a project where you want to add a custom field. The reason we do this is to ensure that the custom field is applicable to the specific project you are working on. Next up, click the Customize button at the top right corner of your project. This helps us because it allows us to access the customization options for our project. Once you've done that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Fields option and click on it. Doing this is important as it's where we begin creating our custom field. Now, click on the plus Add Field option at the top of the Fields section. You'll see a pop-up window. This is where you can create your custom field. Enter the field name, select the field type, and add any additional details in the description box. The reason we do this is because the name, type, and description of your field will help you and your team understand the purpose of the field, making project management more efficient. After you've filled in the necessary information, click on the green Create Field button at the bottom of the pop-up window. And voila! You've just created a custom field. This helps us because it allows us to tailor our project management approach to our specific needs. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. Custom fields in Asana allow you to add additional information to tasks, making it easier to track and manage your projects. They are a powerful tool that can make your workflow more efficient. To wrap things up, creating custom fields in Asana is a straightforward task that can greatly improve your project management strategy. By using this feature, you are able to customize your workflow to better suit your team's needs. And there you have it. You're now a pro at creating custom fields in Asana. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep making project management a breeze with Asana.